Revolutionize your digestion. Top 5 fiber-rich foods for optimal gut health. Introduction. Feeling sluggish, bloated, or irregular? Your gut health might be sending a distress signal. Fiber, the indigestible part of plant foods, is a nutritional superhero that can transform your digestion and overall well-being. Let's dive into the top 5 fiber-rich foods to revolutionize your gut health. 1. Beans and lentils, fiber powerhouses. These humble legumes are fiber champions. A single cup of cooked lentils packs a whopping 15 grams of fiber. Beans like black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas are not far behind. Fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. Plus, the soluble fiber in beans and lentils nourishes your good gut bacteria. Tip: incorporate beans into salads, soups, or enjoy them as a protein-rich side dish. 2. Berries, sweet and fiberlicious. Don't let their small size fool you. Berries are bursting with fiber. Raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries are excellent sources. Berries also contain prebiotics, which fuel the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. They fight inflammation, which impacts digestive health. Tip: top your yogurt or oatmeal with fresh berries, or add them to smoothies for a fiber boost. 3. Whole grains beyond refined carbs. Trade in white bread and pasta for whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their fiber-rich bran and germ layers. This means a slower, steadier blood sugar release and improved digestion. Whole grains also promote the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Tip: start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or swap out white rice for brown rice or quinoa. 4. Leafy greens, gut-nourishing essentials. Spinach, kale, collard greens, these superstars are packed with fiber and vital nutrients for gut health. Their particular type of fiber fuels beneficial bacteria and may also support immune function within the intestine. Tip: blend leafy greens into smoothies, add them to stir-fries, or enjoy them as a simple steamed side dish. 5. Nuts and seeds, crunchy fiber boosters. A handful of almonds, chia seeds, or flax seeds provides a satisfying fiber dose. Fiber helps you feel full, aiding weight management. These nutrient-dense snacks are also sources of healthy fats and gut-supporting minerals. Tip: sprinkle nuts and seeds on salads, yogurts, or add them to trail mix. Additional tips for optimal gut health. Hydrate. Water helps fiber work its magic. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily. Probiotics. Foods like yogurt or kefir provide live beneficial bacteria for your gut. Prebiotics. Include garlic, onions, and leeks in your diet for prebiotic goodness. Listen to your body. Notice how different foods make you feel. Conclusion: by making fiber-rich foods a staple in your diet, you'll be setting yourself up for better digestion, long-term gut health, and overall well-being. It's a small change with a significant impact.